Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy 217 Rebel Outdoors. We're out here on this pretty nasty day. We're gonna see if we can't catch us some crappie out here under this old bridge. Got one in the bucket. All right, let's get back at it. Not what we're after, but a nice little fight. A nice one. Don't know if he's gonna keep. We'll find out. I think he's gonna be a little short. Yep, he's just a hair under. He's gonna keep. Oh yeah. I think I'm on about a fish every 20 minutes, which I guess isn't horrible considering all the rain we got last night. I bet we got 4 inches of rain, maybe more. Little guy. He won't keep, but it's a cute little guy. That's a good one. go. Well, here's today's haul, y'all. Ended up getting 7. Limit was 10, but we got some dandies. He's a real nice dandy. I like that. I can live with that. I would like 10 of those, but the wind picked up. It got super nasty. Just, ugh, it was just nasty out. But I want to thank y'all for watching 217 Rebel Outdoors. Keep them lines tight. I want to thank y'all. You can like, comment, subscribe. All right, y'all.